Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're looking at a question that I think is very difficult. George has $23 to spend on art supplies. He wants to buy markers, paper, and glue. If the total cost of the markers and paper is more than $14, which inequality represents the dollar amount P George can spend on glue? All right, so what are we buying here? We're buying markers, paper, and glue. Markers, paper, and glue. And all that has to be no more than $23. So in other words, the stuff that we have over here has to be less than or equal to $23. All right, so now let's take a look at this little nugget right here where it says that the total cost of the markers and paper is more than $14. So this piece right here is more. It's a greater amount than $14, whatever this is. You know, and then they want to know which inequality represents the dollar amount P George can spend on glue. Now, they don't want you to use a G. They want you to use a P. So let's just think of this as the total of this has to be greater than $14. So we're going to cross that out and rethink this as the total is greater than $14 plus the cost, the price of the glue, all has to be less than or equal to $23. Now here's what I suggest you do next. I think you should take, there's only two numbers that they give you here. They give you the number 9 and they give you the number 37. What I would propose is that you try to use substitution, put the 9 in the place of P and see if this is true, then put the 37 in the place of P, and you're going to clearly be able to eliminate one of the choices. And the only thing that makes this really tricky is you have to think about this value and compare it to 9. Like, you know, ask yourself, what if the glue was $8.99? Would that satisfy the criteria of this question? So I agree it's a tricky question. I wish there was an easier way to solve this, and really, quite honestly, there just isn't. But if you just use that substitution, just be super careful with really thinking about what this means, then I think you're going to be able to get the answer right. All right, good luck finishing that up.